Okay, good morning. So at this time, we will tackle about the exponential growth law and decay law. So this particular topic actually has one example that I am going to talk about this morning. So the mathematical model that can be used to solve this particular type of problem, we have y of t is equal to y of 0 times e to the power of k times t, where y of 0 here is referring to the initial population at t time is equal to 0. So we have e here to the power of k times t, where k is referring to the constant. So we have this particular example. Consider a colony of bacteria that is observed to grow at a rate that is proportional to the number of cells present. Then we have here at the start, there are 8,000 cells. After 2 hours, it increased to 14,000. So what we observe here, the initial population given is only 8,000. Then after 2 hours, it increased to 14,000. So we are asked to find out how many will there be after 1 day if the growth rate is constant. So when we talk about 1 day, after 1 day, meaning we are asked to find the number of bacteria after 1 day, which is referring to 24 hours because there are 24 hours in 1 day. So we will start with the given. Okay, we are given in the problem that our y of 0 is equal to 8,000. Okay, 8,000 cells here. That is from our initial population. At this time, the time is equal to 0. Then after 2 hours, okay, when the time is 2 hours, after 2 hours, no, it increased to, so meaning y of 2 is equal to 14,000. Okay, so therefore, it follows that our general function here or equation now is y of 0 is equal to, or y of t rather, sorry, y of t is equal to 8,000, okay, times e to the power of k times t. Okay, so we have here this particular, at this time, this 8,000 is referring to our initial population. So after that, we can now identify or solve for the value of k by using these particular quantities. At time t is equal to 2, okay, then it increased to 14,000. So we have y of 2 now. Now after 2 hours, that is 8,000 times e to the power of k times the time now is 2, so we have to replace 8 by 2. Then our y of 2 here is 14,000. Okay, that is equal to 8,000 times e to the power of 2 times k. We have 2k. Now our goal is to identify first the value of k so that we can solve now the number of bacteria for after 1 day. So all we have to do, divide both sides by 8,000. So we are left with e to the power of 2k. So from that will become e to the power of 2k, that is equal to, we have 14,000, okay, 14,000 divided by, we have 8,000 here, okay, 8,000. So e now to the power of 2k is equal to what? 1.75. Okay, if we're going to use our scientific calculator, so I have to get now my scientific calculator to verify if that is really correct. So we have 14,000 divided by 8,000. The answer is 1.75. So that is correct, no? 1.75. After that, we can now solve for the value of k. Okay, so it will become 2k is equal to ln of 1.75. Logarithm of 1.75. Remember that this one, e to the power of 2k is the inverse of ln. Okay? So the inverse of e to the power of 2k, that is ln, they are inverse to each other. So we have here 2k is equal to ln of 1.75. Then divide both sides by 2. Therefore, we can now have k is equal to ln of 1.75 divided by 2. K now will give us the value of, so I have to use now my scientific calculator. Okay, the value is, we have ln of 1.75 divided by 2 is 0.2798, no? 0.2798. Okay? So we have now the value of our constant, which is referring to 0.7 at 0.2798. All we have to do is we can now solve for the number of cells after 1 day, which is referring to 24 hours. So we are asked with y of, or we will write first now our general function now, that is y of 24, or our general function, which is y of t is equal to 8,000 times e to the power of our value of k, that is 0.2798 times t. Okay, so now we can now identify the value of y of 24, meaning after 1 day, the number of population after 1 day, which is equal to what? That is 8,000 times e to the power of 0.2798 times our t is 24. So we have 24 now. So we are left with y of 24, which is equivalent to, so we can now again make use of our scientific calculator to solve for 8,000 times e to the power of 0.2798 times 24. So I have to use now my scientific calculator. Okay, the answer is 6,598,790. So the answer is, okay, we have 6,598,790 cells. Okay, this number of cells is the number of cells which is after 1 day. No? At the start given is 8,000, then after 2 hours it increased to 14,000, then after 1 day or 24 hours it increases to 6,598,790 cells. So I hope that you would be able to understand this particular concept, okay, about the exponential growth law and the exponential decay law.